This is the Nilight retractable rear cargo cover. It comes in this nice box. Comes with instructions on if you need any sort of help. So there's contact information right there. And it came in this fiber type bag to protect it from any sort of scratches. So we're going to take a look in the back of the 4Runner here. So this is a 2018 4Runner. And here's what it looks like. It's got some pretty decent fabric coating to it that looks pretty durable. I have it in place, so it's real easy to put in. It has these spring-loaded brackets that just kind of pop right in there on either side. And then it has the bracket that fits right into this here. So the cloth is good. It's durable. You can tell it's durable. It's not going to be ripping right away. This is kind of a padded part here, but this is not padded here. So it retracts very easily. You can see all the stuff that's in here, and it would be very easy for someone to just look through the window and see, but this helps prevent people from doing that. So you can see if I look through the side of the window here, all you're going to be seeing is just the cover of this cargo carrier cover. You're not going to be seeing any sort of the material or items in the back of the trunk. So again, here it is. Overall, I really like it. It's pretty cool. Super easy to just pop right in place. Fits real nice. It does leave a section, you know, maybe about 5 inches or so width behind the back seat and the front rail here, which is actually good because I can put some traction boards and fit those in right here. And I also have a shovel that fits right in there. So I actually like that it doesn't fit completely flat to the back of the seats. There you go.